That hurt? Hold on.
No. Ow.
Careful.
It's hard.
It's hard. It'll
What
take
to
some
do?
getting used to.
Oh, get out.
You want to get out?
You got your own skis, bud.
Yay!
Ow.
What hurts? Does this hurt here? How's that? Is that better?
Oh, get out. No.
Can you scoot?
Here.
Try to scoot towards
Try
Daddy.
scoot.
Slide your feet.
No. No. No.
Okay. We'll try again then. What do you think, Kincaid?
No, the boots on.
No,
You
the
want the
boots
boots
on.
on?
No.
You're gonna have to get used to them if you want to go skiing. I'll take them off though. You want them off?